Hello, I'm Ben Richards, and I teach the 6th through 8th grade mathematics courses of the Ron Paul curriculum. The 6th through 8th grade mathematics courses are designed to prepare you for advanced mathematics in high school. In 6th and 7th grade, we will not only be studying arithmetic, we will also be learning logic, geometry, and some simple algebra. In 8th grade, we will cover what is typically Algebra 1, so that by the time you get to high school, you will be prepared to start with either Algebra 2 or with geometry and trigonometry, or both. Mathematics is a language. It's the language that describes physical reality. And over 10 years ago, one of my physics professors said to me that American students spend 13 years studying math, and when they're finished, they can't read it, they can't write it, they can't speak it, and they can't understand it. In these courses, I'm going to teach you how to think mathematically, not only to be able to solve problems, which is very important, but to understand the concepts that are underlying the problems that we solve in mathematics. In order to do this, you are going to have to do some extra work. There are 3 levels of understanding that I see in mathematics or in anything else. The first is to see someone else explaining something or solving a problem and to say, that makes sense. I see what he just did. I understand that. The second level of understanding is to be able to use those concepts to solve a problem yourself. For that, we are going to be having problem sets for each class with lots of problems that will give you practice with the concepts we're learning. But the third level of understanding is what is going to give you a big advantage over your peers and your friends who are not using the Ron Paul mathematics curriculum. And that is the ability to effectively communicate concepts or ways to solve a problem to someone else. And in order to do that, that is the extra work you're going to have to do for these courses. I'm going to ask you to keep a study notebook, which I explain in detail in the introductory video for the classes. And secondly, I'm going to ask you to use the technique of explaining the concepts and solving problems out loud for a friend, either an imaginary friend or a parent or brother or sister. And I also explain this in detail in the first video for the classes. These 3 levels of understanding are going to give you skills that will stay with you for the rest of your life and make you well prepared to succeed in advanced mathematics in high school.